If you want to create a Reddit account but don't know which option to choose, this video will guide you step by step. In the next minute, I'll show you how to sign up on Reddit easily using Google right from your Android phone. First, open the Reddit app. On the welcome screen, look at the bottom. You'll see Don't have an account with a sign up button. Tap on Sign Up. Now you'll see 3 sign up options. Continue with phone number, continue with Google, and continue with email. You can choose any option you like. In this video, I'm selecting Continue with Google. Tap on Continue with Google. Your phone will now show all the Gmail accounts linked to your device. Simply tap the Gmail you want to use for signing up. Next, Reddit will ask about you. You'll see these options: man, woman, non-binary, or I prefer not to say. You can also tap Skip from the top right corner if you want. I'm selecting man and moving forward. Now, Reddit will ask you to choose your interests. This helps Reddit personalize your experience. Select topics based on what you like. I'm choosing career, entertainment, finance, sports, and gaming. Tap Continue. Next, you'll see Customize your feed. Every selection you make improves your feed. Choose whatever looks relevant to you. I'm selecting action movies, esports, PUBG Mobile, personal finance, and interview skills. After this, tap Continue. That's it. Your Reddit account is now successfully created. Subscribe for quick tech fixes. More easy tutorials on Fixora Mind.